Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys, and welcome to another video of the Diamond Trader. My name is Daniel, and today, guys, I'm going to show you the 3 stocks I bought at a bargain price today. Watch this space. So, guys, this has been a red day today, very red day today. We have had red days in general for the last 2 weeks. We're undergoing what we consider as a big market correction at the moment. Could there be a crash? Who knows? But the market correction has been a day, especially today, it's been a red day that I've really taken advantage of. I've taken advantage of because these 3 stocks that I'm going to tell you about are not new ones that I've bought. They're actually ones that I already have and I've bought. And in fact, if you're an investor and you don't have these 3 stocks, today, in fact, right now is a bargain to be buying these 3 stocks, in my point of view. So let's go straight into it. Let's have a look at the first one. The first one is the only one I haven't done a review on. I haven't done a review on them, and that is GEVO. Okay, GEVO is a company, a great company with a lot of future. It's a renewable chemicals and advanced biofuels company, headquartered in Douglas County, Colorado. Okay, price $8.24. I bought this back in January. Prices, yeah, we went up to the over $14 mark not so long ago. This was great. Everyone got excited, and then we've seen the drop with the last couple of weeks, and today it's sort of just really plummeted down. Okay, I've bought more into this. This is a great company, and in fact, I'm not going to tell you any more about this company because a good friend of mine, a good buddy of mine, trading with CJ. So let's bring him up. Trading with CJ has done reviews on this one before. So if you go into his channel, we can see all his videos, and he's got some on GEVO. So I'll leave his link in the description, his channel in the description, so you can have a look at GEVO. A great company. You need to be looking at that. So the second one is one I've done a review on. I've done that a month ago, and here it is here. So that's a great video. I'll leave that again in the description down below for you to go and have a look. This is a great company. This is a real good long-term company that's at a bargain price at the moment. It's sitting at $33.59. The market's just about to close in about 15 minutes. So yeah, this is a bargain at the moment, and actually dollar cost average down when it was down around about 36, and yeah, it's dropped down. It's always hard to time the dips. I appreciate that. Now, timing dips, no one can always time the dips. So what I always suggest when we have days like this to not, what the cash you have set aside, don't go whacking it all in on one go. You want to probably be leaving a little bit to the side, and if it goes down a bit again tomorrow, we suspect actually this could go down even further to around about $28 according to the next the support zones. The 28 is the next one, so we want to be keeping an eye out for that to averaging in. It's a company, guys. It's a great company. I'm not going to go into details. You can watch the video on it. Basically, it's a biopolymer manufacturer company. What does that mean? Basically, what it is a plastic company. It's a plastic. I don't want to say plastic because it's a biopolymer, but think of it as a plastic that's biodegradable. They have contracts with big companies such as Pepsi. Imagine the problems, the issues we're having at the moment with plastics contamination. They have the solution. There's no more to be said. This is just a no-brainer for me for the long term, for the future. And this at this price, this is I consider it an absolute bargain. So yeah, so go in and have a look at that, guys. It's really good price at the moment. Third one, final, well, last but not least, is Alpine. Alpine today has taken a good hit, has, like other companies, taken a good hit, but this one today has been taking a good hit, and this looks like we're at the support level now. I can't see it going, it has popped below $5, by the way. It did get to, my goodness, it did actually get to $4.50 at one stage today. Sorry, that was on the 23rd of February. Sorry, $4.50, $4.70 it's gone down today. This is a bargain. This is an absolute bargain today, and I've dollar cost average. In fact, I've done a lot of dollar cost average. I started off at $2.70, $2.70, and then round about the middle of February, I bought more. I didn't buy the top, and then I'm actually buying now as the price is coming down. Will it go down further than $5? I don't see that. I can see this wick here has tested that zone, and I would like to see this wick as well. I can't imagine it going lower than this. And this is a lot of panic selling. Not panic selling, shall I say impatient selling. Okay. I'm going to show you why. Now, the news on this today, there's been two bits of news. Okay, so the first one that came out this morning from Alpine is they've introduced its 4 new independent board members for the Nasdaq. So Nasdaq came out on Twitter, everyone got excited, way Nasdaq, but in fact it looks like it's a requirement for the Nasdaq. There's a bit of a tease. It's not fair, but that's the way it is. So they're communicating. But probably the big mistake they've made, people can say it's a mistake, I don't know, whichever way you want to look at it. I don't look at it as a mistake, but I look at it as being honest and transparent. And now when a company is honest and transparent, I have more confidence in that company. They came out a few minutes later, I think it was, or half an hour later, saying, look, shareholders, to be clear, the name change and the independent board were included in our original application. These things have no bearing on the current application process, and it is under normal review. We patiently wait on the NASDAQ to complete their work. Now, he's put in 2 words here, and I think this is where the psychology of a lot of investors that are new on the game have thought this patiently. They've taken impatient, they've taken the opposite, impatient, and they've sold. They're expecting it on Friday to come out to be announced on the Nasdaq. They're expecting on Monday to be at Nasdaq, and this is probably creating a lot of insecurity for a lot of people that have not truly valued the company. They've looked at a company and all they're thinking about is Nasdaq. This company is not all about Nasdaq. There's much more to it than Nasdaq, and I'm not going to go into this video to discuss that because you can see my other 2 videos I've talked about this. This is a company worth investing in, and it's at a bargain price now. So this is what's happened today. From my point of view, people have started to sell, and that's great because where there's sellers, there's people like me who love to buy them. So this goes to this. This is key. This is key. This is what Warren Buffett said. You've probably seen this. If you haven't seen this 100 times, you probably will see it 100 times if you've just started investing. The stock market is a device from transferring money from the impatient to the patient, and this is exactly what's happening today. So that's a little bit on Alpine. That's a little bit on the 3 stocks that I've bought today. Let me know what you think. Have you guys bought in 10 of these stocks today? Please let me know. I'd love to hear if you've bought any of these stocks, or you've even averaged up or averaged down today. I would love to hear it. Guys, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe, because that really helps the YouTube algorithm. Guys, thank you for being patient, and thank you for watching, and speak to you soon. Bye-bye.